I'm in the studio today to have a look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now, it's not your average smartphone, it's foldable with a focus on maximising the stuff you can do, with an impressively large screen and a clever design that makes it easy to take with you. You've got all this extra space on the display because of the folding design, so it lets you do more with it. Now, multitasking on here is taken to another level. Multi-window lets you have up to 3 windows open at the same time. So I've currently got 2 windows open. Now, if I press the dots down here, I can then select an app to open as my 3rd window, like so. Now, if you've got the S Pen, you can also use the S Pen, and it gives you the ability to also drag and drop in between apps. The screen itself is another thing that really stands out. When you unfold the phone, you've got a really impressive 7.6-inch display in your hands. It's basically a tablet-sized screen that becomes the size of a normal portable smartphone when you're not using it. And as you can see here, the picture is really bright and vibrant with loads of sharp detail. This means you can watch your content or play games, and both will actually feel really immersive. When it comes to the design, it's prioritizing 2 things, peace of mind and portability. It's made from tougher materials, but it's slimmer and lighter than previous versions, so it's even easier to carry. It fits really nicely in your pocket like so, and you can do that with the confidence that it's tough enough to handle any bumps, scrapes, or knocks that may happen. If you'd like to find out more info about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, you can visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.